Alright guys, me here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the BARROCK bathroom faucet. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and let's install it, and I'll show you how it turned out. The package comes with the instruction manual. We have the base plate. We also have a bonus pop-up drain, which was a gift that they gave as part of the purchase. There's various accessories as well as the faucet. Now that we have all the pieces ready, let's go ahead and get this faucet installed. There are two types of installation that we can do for the sink, either the 1-hole or the 3-hole installation. Which one you do will depend on the type of sink that you have. Mine only has the 1-hole, so I will be doing the 1-hole installation. If there is already an old faucet on your sink, your first thing to do will be to shut off the water and remove the old faucet to prep the area so that we can install this BARROCK faucet. From there, we will position the faucet above the sink and feed the hoses through the hole on the sink so that the hoses will come out on the bottom side. Next, from the bottom side of the sink, we will feed through the black and white rubber gasket as well as the mounting nut. Then we will bring it up towards the sink and screw it onto the threaded pipe under the sink. As we are screwing the mounting nut on, we also need to make sure to adjust the positioning of the faucet on the top so everything will be straight and aligned. Once the mounting nut is securely fastened, we will then connect the hoses, making sure that the hot water one goes to the hot and the cold goes to the cold. You can use the wrench to tighten up all the connections to make sure that there are no leaks. Once everything is tightened up, we can then turn on the water and let it run for a few minutes to check the connections and that everything has been installed securely and properly. This faucet is made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel, which is specifically designed to prevent any rusting whenever we are using it regularly. It also comes with a ceramic cartridge, which gives us a steady flow of water whenever I turn on the faucet. This steady flow of water is really nice because I do not have to worry about water splashing everywhere whenever the family or the kids are using it. One of my favorite things about this product is that they prepared this faucet kit with the user in mind. It comes with additional bonus items such as the pop-up drain, which you can also install onto the sink if you are able to. I wasn't able to install mine because of the layout and the model of my sink and bathroom vanity, which is slightly different. There is also the faucet extender gift, which is extremely helpful with little kids around who may not be able to reach all the way up yet. With the faucet extender, it allows the water to flow further away from the faucet instead of dropping down vertically. Overall, I really like the look of this faucet, how heavy duty it is built, and the amount of pressure that comes out is a great balance in providing a good flow of water while at the same time preventing waste by reducing splashes everywhere. If you are looking for a rustic stainless steel bathroom faucet for your next DIY project to add a pop of elegance and beauty to your bathroom, you don't want to miss out on this.